Well, hello Story Chasers, this is Amber again, and today is Thanksgiving here in the United States. Such a great holiday for us to just kind of relax and, well, think about what we're thankful for. So, I tell you what, I'll go first. I am thankful for really being able to live this life and fulfill my dreams and have all of the relationships that I have, whether it's my friends, my family. Scott's in my life again since getting back from Canada, and still being able to do this despite what's happening in the world with the pandemic. So it just keeps us from traveling as much as we would like, but we're still out here doing it and enjoying ourselves and staying a little bit in spots a little bit longer than we typically would because of what's happening. But despite all of that, we still have our health. We're alive. We are, here another day to fulfill our dreams and enjoy what we have in life and enjoy our relationships. So your turn. What are you thankful for? Leave me a comment below and tell me what you're thankful for and maybe like how this year has changed you. Is there any epiphanies that you've had because of what's been happening? All right, so today we are going to talk about how we're cooking a Thanksgiving dinner in van life. We are cooking, believe it or not a full turkey. We cheated just a little bit, but we'll show you what we're doing. But for now, we are going to take a quick walk and, well, walk off some of the carbs that we're about to eat fairly soon. Lily, are you ready to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Lily, let's go for a walk. Come on, let's go, let's go. Good girl. Juicer's got his boots on! He's got his boots on! Doesn't he sound like a horse? No. What are you doing, you horse? Hello. Open sesame.
Hello.
Hi. I brought this over for you. Ooh, look at that turkey. So as you can see, we're having turkey as one of our items. We cheated and bought it already cooked.
Put it all in foil in the Instant Pot. You just gotta warm it up.
So we put water in the bottom so that he can steam it inside this foil. Alright, so take two. We can't put the whole turkey in there. We have to cut it up and then put it in there. But this is van life. We have to accommodate.
Hashtag van life.
Alright, here we go. We've got turkey. And the Instant Pot. About half of that, I think, for the potatoes, don't you think? The other thing we're having is crescent rolls. Now, you may be asking, how are we going to cook these things because we don't have an oven. Scott has a toaster oven. So we're going to cook these in the toaster oven. I think a half at a time.
Yeah.
Alright, I guess I better get started, huh?
You better.
Okay, it's a little windy outside and I'm having to run back and forth between my and Scott's van to coordinate and make sure we're on time. So our friend Dave, which I think I forgot to mention earlier, is coming out here too. You've seen him in all my other videos. He should be here probably in about 20 minutes. He's vegan, so I'm holding out some potatoes for him. The stuffing is also going to be vegan, so he'll be able to eat that. And then he has his own food, which are going to be vegan sausages. I think he might be able to eat the crescent rolls too. We'll see. Alright, so potatoes are on. I'm doing those in the Instant Pot. We're making mashed potatoes, so I cook them for about 5 minutes in the Instant Pot. I'll take them out and mash them all up. We'll put some butter and some milk in them. So the other thing that I'm cooking is stuffing, and I bought this box of Cubison's, Mrs. Cubison's stuffing, and I forgot celery at the store and mushrooms, but we're putting onion, carrot, and a little bit of green pepper in there and call it good. That's going to be cooked over the induction cooktop, and I'll show you that in just a minute. Looks like he's arrived. Kirby! How's it going?
Hey, what's up, dudes?
How's it going? Good to see you. Oops. How's your pups? How's your pups?
Hey, buddies. Hey, Peter.
Sorry, we were working fast and furious, but here's the potatoes. I've got gravy coming, and I just mashed them up in this little immersion blender. So we have stuffing. We have mashed potatoes. Alright guys, van life Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
I messed the potatoes up. They're kind of creamy.
Looks yummy.
But hey, it should be good, right?
Yeah.
Happy
delicious.
Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving.
And this is Dave's food. What do we have here, Dave?
I've got some vegan Italian sausage with some onions and peppers. I've got some mashed potatoes with vegan butter. And I've got
is
some
it
kimchi
kimchi?
for probiotics.
Nice, nice. That's important.
Nice.
We have to do dishes. Lots and lots of dishes. My bed is a mess because that also serves as a table, if you will, for all of my kitchen stuff when I'm cooking. We just use what we have. Oh my gosh, the potatoes are like glue trying to get it off of here. It's caked on. Yeah, I stirred them too much. Ugh. And then we had pie. We have pumpkin with vanilla bean ice cream. And apple pie with vanilla bean ice cream. And you might be asking, ice cream? How do we have ice cream in a Heimer? Because it usually turns to soft serve when you put it in the standard Heimer refrigerator. But look what I got. I have this portable freezer from Astro AI. They sent this to me to try it out. And it's been sitting at 0 to -4 degrees. And look at that. We've got ice cream in there and bananas, which never freeze in my regular Heimer refrigerator. So yeah, we're excited to try it out. You're excited, aren't you?
Totally. Yeah.
We get ice cream. What else can we put in there? Berries, which don't freeze inside of our Heimer freezer. Leftovers. Yeah. It's the simple things in life that we get excited about these days.
Old people.
Old people. Speak for yourself. There he goes.
I wonder if it was a coyote in your shoe.
I'm sure it was.
Probably. Look at that hummingbird.